Hello there guys, this is Elijah, this is BNM9131, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you of the Cisco Linksys AE2500 dual band wireless and USB adapter. It gets 2.4 or 5 GHz dual band, 300 megabytes per second speed, superior range, advanced security, and easy setup. The only reason I got this, I'm on the laptop right now, but the only reason I got this for my mom. Computer does not have a wireless adapter on her computer, so I was like, you know what, just let me get this real quick. So I'm just gonna do another unboxing for you guys. Where's the controller? Oh, no. What the hell? Oh, messed up itself. Alright. First you can see is the USB. Comes with a little packaging. You guys can see. Same size as the regular USB thumb drive. Like that now. And what else comes in here is a setup CD. And then comes with a CD and all the information. I might make an setup video later on, so yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.